NBC's Pete Williams now. He covers the Justice Department. Pete, nothing illegal happened that we know of, right? What's this review going to examine?
Well, the Inspector General will be looking at whether the Justice Department policies were followed here in seeking this information, whether it had a legitimate basis, or, as the IG said today, whether any investigations were based on improper considerations. And this will cover not only the subpoenas to Congress, but also those for news media records that have been disclosed in the past few weeks. We're told by a former senior Justice Department official that this was an investigation of a single House Intel Committee staffer, and that Jeff Sessions never signed off on any kind of sweeping subpoenas. And as you just noted, Bill Barr says tonight he never heard of any of this. But congressional sources tell us that the notice they got from Apple said your records were subpoenaed by the Justice Department. So exactly what happened here is what the IG is going to look at, Shep.
Got it. Pete, on a different matter, Attorney General Merrick Garland made some moves on voting rights today.
Right. He said earlier this week that he's going to ask Congress for the largest increase ever for the budget of the Civil Rights Division. And today he explained one of the reasons why. He said he wants to double the size of its staff of lawyers who work to enforce voting rights. Here's what he said.
There are many things that are open to debate in America, but the right of all eligible citizens to vote is not one of them. The right to vote is the cornerstone of our democracy.
He says the Justice Department is now looking at the raft of those new state laws restricting voting and at the efforts in several states to audit the results of last November's election. And if the Justice Department finds that those laws violate voting rights, then Garland says it will challenge them in court, Shep.
Pete Williams, thank you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.